سلام، من مجید هستم. Lesson 19, Learn Persian as a beginner. Today we're gonna learn the modal verb can or could in Farsi. We will learn about the structure, its negation and question form. If you can remember, in the last lessons, we learned about the verb want, which was like a modal verb. The structure was like that, which was the verb خواستن. You had to conjugate it, and then this structure, which is like imperative. And then we have the lesson for must and should, for which we had this word باید, always fixed there, plus the structure. Our modal verb today, can, or could, falls under this structure. It means that we have to conjugate the verb can, toonestan, and then the rest is like always. So let's conjugate the modal verb can. Can is toonestan, spoken Persian, or tavanestan, formal Persian. The stem for the spoken Persian is toon. For standard Persian is tavan. So as always, this is our rule. می تونم. Standard. می توانم. می تونی. می توانی. So we continue with the spoken Persian. می تونه. می تونیم. می تونید. or میتونین, میتونند, or میتونن. Negative, just you have ne here. نمیتونم, نمیتونی, نمیتونه, نمیتونیم, نمیتونید, نمیتونند. So the structure, as I said, is you have to conjugate toonestan, can, and this is what we learned before. I can learn Farsi. Learn is یاد گرفتن. So first of all, we conjugate the verb can for I, which is میتونم. Farsi یاد بگیرم. As I said, learn is یاد گرفتن. So the verb for conjugation is گرفتن. We know the stem is گیر. Then we have be, بگیر. Then you have am, which is again the ending for I. میتونم فارسی یاد بگیرم. Let's see the examples. I can speak Farsi. Speak, صحبت کردن. میتونم فارسی صحبت بکنم or کنم. For کردن, you can say with bo or just without it. She can drive. Drive, رانندگی کردن. So the verb is again کردن. میتونه رانندگی بکنه or میتونه رانندگی کنه. I can say میتونم بگم که. Then you can continue your sentence. You can go. میتونی بری. We can come tomorrow. ما میتونیم فردا بیایم. You can sleep in the bus. میتونی تو اتوبوس بخوابی. I can see you. This you is a direct object. We had the lesson for that. Direct object with object marker, or what I have used here is object endings. You can find the link for object ending lesson here. So I can see you. میتونم ببینمت. As I said, this is object ending. You could have used also object marker, which is easier, of course, for you. In that case, میتونم تو رو ببینم. Let's make all these sentences negative. And the negative we learn, it's easy. Just ne before تونستن. I can't speak Farsi. So the same sentence as we had, just ne we add here. نمیتونم فارسی صحبت کنم. She can't drive. نمیتونه رانندگی بکنه. I can't say. نمیتونم بگم که, or you can stop here. نمیتونم بگم. I can't say. You can't go. نمیتونی بری. We can't come tomorrow. ما نمیتونیم فردا بیایم. You can't sleep in the bus. تو نمیتونی تو اتوبوس بخوابی. I can't see you. نمیتونم ببینمت. Or easier version with object marker. نمیتونم تو رو ببینم. So let's see some yes/no questions with can. Can you speak Farsi? So it's the same as normal sentence but in question tone. میتونی فارسی صحبت کنی؟ Can she drive? میتونه رانندگی کنه؟ Can you say? میتونی بگی که, or you can stop here. میتونی بگی, can you say? Can you go, for example, to the supermarket? میتونی بری سوپرمارکت, for example. Can you come tomorrow? میتونی, or imagine you are talking to an older person in a formal situation. Then we say میتونید فردا بیاید. Single, میتونی فردا بیای. Can you sleep in the bus? میتونی تو اتوبوس بخوابی؟ Can you see? میتونی ببینی؟ We can also say, can you see me? میتونی منو ببینی؟ Most of the examples that we have already covered were about the function of the modal verb can for ability. For requests like, can you help me, or can I have your number? I have a special lesson which is coming most probably this week. There you can find a lot of examples for requests in any forms. When the lesson comes, you can find the link here. Let's make some questions with can and WH question words. What can you do? چی or چیکار میتونی بکنی. When we have what and do, you can also say چیکار. چی میتونی بکنی or چیکار میتونی بکنی. Who can drive? کی میتونه رانندگی بکنه. Why can't you say, or why can't you say that? Here we have question and negative form of can. چرا نمیتونی بگی? So question and negative. What can I say? چی میتونم بگم؟ Where can I stay? کجا میتونم بمونم؟ How can you sleep in the bus? چطور میتونی تو اتوبوس بخوابی؟ شما میتونید تو اتوبوس بخوابید؟ من میتونم. I can. I really can sleep in the bus. Why can't you see? چرا نمیتونی ببینی؟ That was it. See you next time. خداحافظ.